Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python, A Beginner's Guide. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that is widely used in various fields such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. If you're new to programming or looking to dive into Python, this tutorial will guide you through the basics, providing code examples to help you get started. Mark your calendars for next month's first day, and let's embark on a journey into the world of Python. Step 1. Installing Python. Before you can start coding in Python, you need to have it installed on your computer. Visit the official Python website, https://www.python.org, and download the latest version suitable for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Follow the installation instructions provided on the website. Step 2. Setting up a development environment. Once Python is installed, you can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, to write and run Python code. Popular choices include VSCode, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebooks. Choose the one that suits your preferences and install it. Step 3. Your first Python program. Let's start with a classic Hello World program. Open your chosen editor or IDE and create a new Python file, example hello.py. Type the following code. Save the file and run it. You should see the output Hello World printed to the console. Congratulations! You've just written your first Python program. Step 4. Variables and data types. In Python, variables are used to store data. Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Here's an example. Feel free to modify the values and experiment with different data types. Step 5. Control flow, if statements. Control flow statements allow you to make decisions in your code. Use the following example to understand how if statements work. Step 6. Loops, for and while. Loops help you repeat a certain block of code multiple times. Here are examples of a for loop and a while loop. Experiment with different loop conditions and see how the output changes. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a brief introduction to Python programming, covering installation, setting up a development environment, writing your first program, and exploring basic concepts like variables, data types, control flow, and loops. Python is a vast language with a rich ecosystem, so there's much more to learn. Take your time to explore additional resources and build on the foundation laid out in this tutorial. Happy coding! ChatGPT. Sure. Here's an informative tutorial about getting the first day of the next month using Python. In Python, there are several ways to calculate the first day of the next month. Let's explore some methods using date, time, and calendar modules. Both methods essentially perform the same task but use different modules to accomplish it. You've learned how to obtain the first day of the next month in Python using both the date, time, and calendar modules. These methods provide flexibility in handling date calculations and can be useful in various applications. Feel free to use any of these methods based on your preference or requirements in your Python projects. This tutorial provides two distinct methods to find the first day of the next month in Python, showcasing the versatility of the date, time, and calendar modules for date manipulations. ChatGPT.